Hi, I'm Rob with Salsify, and we are back at the whiteboard today to talk about personalization. Now, personalization in e-commerce has been a holy grail for a long time. Amazon and others are trying to give you deals based on your shopping, right? They're going to say, oh, we noticed that you were shopping for one thing. Let me offer you other things around there, and so on and so forth. But I would say that most of us experience the personalization attempt by e-commerce retailers to be maybe, missing the mark a little bit. I mean, we've all had this experience. The old joke is you buy one toilet seat off of Amazon and then you're just getting recommendations for toilet seats all day long. Like, how many toilet seats do you really want? What do they actually know about you? Are they doing a good job? With AI, there's an opportunity to get beyond this, to be more intelligent about your offers. AI has the potential to actually be a personalized shopping assistant that knows about you, knows your context, can bring data in from lots of places, can actually make personalization happen. And people are working on this because the return on getting personalization right is crazy. Traffic, when we know that we give personalized offers to people that are relevant, people are more likely to click on them to get to the product detail page. When they get to the product detail pages, because the offers are relevant to them, they're more likely to add them to the cart. If you're spending money on personalized offers, therefore, the returns are going to be stronger. The basket size, the attach rate of products to the overall shopping experience is higher. All of this, is money right there. In the EU, right? So in returns, go down because you're giving them stuff that's relevant to them. However, this is hard to do. I don't expect large language models all of a sudden to solve the personalization issues for e-commerce companies, for suppliers, anybody overnight. And the reason is because companies like an Amazon or a Walmart or any retailer that you're talking about or your own business have impediments to driving really true personalized shopping at scale. One of them is simply the data silos. Information about you, your shopping history, the shopping histories of others like you, and so on and so forth, they tend to sit in different places simply because, that's how operationally they were set up. If you're creating personalized offers at scale, you want to have personalized copy, maybe personalized imagery, language relevant to the actual shopper. LLMs can do that, but can they do that at scale? Can they do that in scale in a way that a retailer will trust? For example, are they going to make things up? Are they going to say false things? Retailers are already driving conversational shopping on their sites. But branded manufacturers and product detail pages and media offers and all this sort of stuff isn't exactly done. The creativity at scale isn't quite happening yet. Real-time performance is a concern. Anybody who uses AI and large language models, you can literally see the text being generated in real time, right? It's not exactly the 100 millisecond snappy page load responses that people are used to in e-commerce. So you can imagine if you're generating all the offers and you're generating the copy and you're generating all these things, it's hard to do it in real time. The systems don't really work in real time. So it changes the e-commerce shopping experience. And then of course, if you've got, creative and you've got IT and data silos and you've got people that are like the site merchants doing the optimization, they're all in different parts of the organization. So how do you coordinate all these people together to drive a really personalized shopping experience? I think that this is going to happen, but there's challenges in getting there. And I think that if underfunded media like Channel One is saying that they can produce personalized newscasts for everyone who's watching Channel One, I think if they're experimenting with this, it's going to happen. Everyone's going to do it. It's quite possible that not too far in the future, you go to an Amazon and I go to an Amazon and we see different things, even for the same products, different images, different product titles, different feature bullets. The search experience is different. It guides us to products that are maybe more relevant to me versus you. And that is a better experience for everybody. And it makes more money for Amazon and it makes more money for all the suppliers of Amazon. So what we're going to do in the shorts going forward in this series is talk about each of those bottlenecks and how, as an industry, we could maybe push through them.